guys, we're back on the trail. I said in my last live that we were supposed to get a dump of snow, and we did. We've already gotten stuck once. So this is my light little wheeling trail, and it drifts in quite a bit. So this is one of the, there's only 6 inches fell, but the way that it blows in, that can turn into 3 feet in the corner of something, right? So we're stuck. And of course, we never brought any shovels. Got it. So we're just gonna go through nice and slow because it's not very even throughout here, and a stump can definitely slide you over like a foot and throw your quarter panel into a tree or something like that. So we really take our time once the snow comes. Very excited to have the snow though. It's been a lot of on and off, and I like snow wheeling. That's kind of my thing. Is I've always enjoyed it. Not much breaks, and you know, you get out with a couple buddies and make a fire, get hot dog roasts on for the kids, and just make a time out of it. You know, like you can't just sit around inside all winter and, you know, mope because there's no outdoor time. So, whoa. really I have to come through here quite often during the wintertime because it does drift in so bad that sometimes I have to abandon the trail. It gets so bad, and I get a lot of my wood here. It makes my firewood close by. That was the plan for today, was to actually come out and cut some more trail. I've got some new trail spots that I started, and I was gonna have a fire and all that, but it's kind of getting late in the day now. We kind of got a late start at it doing other things. Well, that's it for this one, guys. I'm just gonna come back home for a hot beverage and call it a night. And look at my neighbor's Christmas lights. She takes a lot of pride in them and really does a nice job. Yeah, that's it tonight. Take her easy, guys. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Thanks, guys.